Okay, so here's what I think is really, really cool about Explain Everything, which is probably what I'm going to use for my students. So I've imported this publisher file as a PDF, and it's a note that I normally use as a in a face-to-face classroom, but with the document camera, and I put it on the smartboard, and then I just fill it in with a pen. Um, but what's really cool about this is I can make it bigger and zoom in for the students. And then I can sort of talk through the rule and like state the rule, um, show them how it works, and then also do an example for them, um, and show them like exactly what I would do in class and sort of talk through it with them as I go through it, which I think is really helpful for a math class. Then I can turn it into a video and then upload it just like and embed the code just like I would for a YouTube video. So I think that's really cool. I think this is what I'm going to use. I didn't see Notability working that well with it. But Explain Everything is on our school iPads. And so if you can get access to that, you wouldn't have to pay for it because it is kind of expensive and it comes with a monthly cost and it's a subscription, which makes me super sad. I hate that. But I think it's going to be beneficial for me and doing math lessons. And so that's why I'm going to go with it. See ya.